there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. All right, guys, so welcome to day 8 of the 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to today. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be creating a vision board. Okay, so all of the project goals, all of the habit goals that we have set for ourselves, it's very important for us to at least just have a glance of what that looks like for us. Okay, because that is just going to show us, okay, that is possible. This can be in forms of images, can be in forms of quotes, it can be images of yourself, or it could be images of other people. You just want to have this so that you can always constantly remind yourself every time you go through your vision board. You can always see, okay, yeah, this is what I want for myself, this is what I'm working towards, and it's not just in words. Okay, so it's very important for you. So this can be physical or it can be digital. Okay, so if you want to do it physically, if you want to do it with paper, you can do that. All you have to do is just gather your pictures from Pinterest, and then you can just like cut them out and just arrange them on here. Or it could be like, maybe like you want to use like a frame. It depends on you. There are so many different ways that you can do this just to make it your vibe. But if you want to do it digitally, you can either do this on Pinterest, or you can actually do it on the template. So if you want the template, then this is how you can actually create your vision board on the template. All right, guys, so of course, once you open the template, this is what it's going to look like. So you want to go down to today. So as you can see, today is day 8. So we're going to click on create a vision board. So yeah, once you do that, if you scroll down now, because we already created all of these things, like for instance, I added these ones when you didn't see me, but the define your brand identity, which we added last week, as you can see now, it is populating here. Okay, so everything is just synced. So in order for you to add the pictures here so that you can see it like as a vision board, all you just have to do is just click on this, just click add cover. As you can see, it has populated a picture. It just populates a picture randomly, but if you want to add your own picture, you can do that of course. So you just want to go click on it again, and then go to the top right corner here, add and press change cover. So once you press the change cover, you can either choose from the gallery that they have a gallery of pictures, but they're kind of old pictures, and then you can upload one. So if you have like a picture that you have on your computer or on your phone, you can upload it. And then you have the link, so you can paste an image link from the web. And lastly, you have the Unsplash. Okay, so this is really cool because you can search for what you want. So let's say I want to search public speaking now. So as you can see, it's bringing out like pictures of like public speaking, but it's like all these stock pictures. It's not aesthetic picture, right? It's not an aesthetic picture. But let me put lady public speaking. Let's see what it brings up. So you can just like search for anything, and it's going to automatically bring the pictures. Do I like this one? I don't know. Yeah, it looks like she's singing. Okay, so now I've gotten one, so let me just add it. Although it's not like the vibe, but you get like, this is like the next one to take your time, scroll on Pinterest. It's even a fun activity, honestly. So all these goals that you set was for yourself, what do you see it being like? Okay, so as you can see, this is it. So if you want to reposition it, you can do that. Just click on reposition, and then you can just drag it up or down. It depends on you. But yeah, this is it. So you can do this for all of the other goals that you have. It's going to show there. And then every time you open habit tracker, for instance, so as you can see here now, like, it's just going to always be here in your habit tracker. When you're using your habit tracker, you can always scroll down and just see, okay, this is the kind of vibe that I'm going for. This is the kind of thing that I want to be doing in my day-to-day life. Also, in your 12-week year template, as you can see, you'll be able to see it every single time when you log into your template and you want to track your tasks, everything that you did for the day. You can always just see these pictures, and it's just a really cool way to just keep you motivated and remind you of what your life should look like, the things you should be doing, because it's so easy for you to just have words, but having pictures to back it up just makes things so much easier for you to just stay focused and just stay motivated. Okay, so yeah, guys, that is that for today's activity. I really do hope that you take it into consideration. So you can either do this on this paper and just like paste it on your wall, or you can do it on the Notion template, or you can use a frame, you can use Pinterest, any other way that you can do this. So yeah guys, that is that for today. I'll see you later for day 9. Bye.